Basic settings of Tiger Drone 2. To set up your Tiger Drone 2, press the gear icon to enter setup mode. Once the setup menu appears, go to General Settings first so that other subsequent settings can be done with ease. This is because in General Settings, the menu language can be toggled between Thai and English. After selecting the menu language, the measurement units can be selected. There are available measurement units for volume unit, speed unit, length unit, area unit. Select the units as needed. Once general settings are completed, go to drone settings. 5 setting categories will appear: radar, battery, default flight setting, safety configuration, calibration. For the basic setting, only the 4 setting categories above will be prepared. The first setting category is for the radar. ODS toggle switch is for toggling the obstacle avoidance system. The alert distance and the brake distance can be set up here. Terrain toggle switch is for toggling the altitude hold system. The altitude hold mode can be selected depending on the characteristic of the mission area. Field crop mode is appropriate for corn and sugarcane fields, while plain asterisk mode is best for rice fields. After radar settings are complete, head to battery. The battery voltage will be displayed along with the charging cycle and the battery serial number. The low power warning capacity can also be adjusted. Default flight setting is for setting the parameters for all flight modes. There are 2 categories: basic settings and auto settings. Basic settings include the return to launch speed and altitude. Adjust these values to suit the mission area. Auto settings include the parameters for spraying and spreading in automatic flight plans. The liquid volume per area can be adjusted along with 5 spraying droplet sizes. The point at which the liquid is depleted can also be configured from this menu. When each task group is completed, it is for selecting whether the drone should stop moving or return to home automatically after completing each zone. Below this setting is the approach speed. Finally, the last setting is for approach altitude, or the altitude the drone should reach after completing the mission. Last one is safety configuration. The safety configuration is for determining the correct behavior when a problem is encountered. The first setting determines the appropriate action when the connection is lost during manual flight mode. The second setting determines the appropriate action when the connection is lost during automatic flight mode. The last setting is for when the drone detects an anomaly in the terrain following radar.